Hello, this is Samuli from HeadQ, and in this video we are going to build BMW-style product configurator with HeadQ software. If you are unfamiliar with HeadQ, HeadQ is a digital commerce software for B2B manufacturing companies. So our customers, for example, are selling glass-making machinery or commercial press brakes or CNC machines. And all of these companies have realized buying is changing. Customers are spending more and more time on the internet, so they want to give them better buying experience. But in this video, we will be using HeadQ to build a copy of this particular configurator. Here, we do it in a bit different way, but quite similar as it is here. So let's hop in and start building with HeadQ. So when you go to headq.io, on the right side corner, you can click Get Started for free. You can use the free version to do some building on your own. Then let's sign up from here. And then it will ask what different sales models we want to have. And then it will ask our URL. Let's take the BMW USA. And it will automatically say, find the logos, colors, all of that. And then the account is created like this. Now for the next steps, this is a JavaScript code. With this, you could install HeadQ to your website, so we can install our product configurators to any website there is. And here, let's choose that we are selling from United States to United States. A lot of our customers are selling multiple different markets, which means different languages, different currencies, all that. So with HeadQ, you can handle that one easily as well. And now our store is created. The front page is all about data, but let's hop into the building part directly. So on the demo account, we have some products here. Let's delete those ones. And then let's start the building itself. So here, what we can see, how does it go with this configurator? First, customers can choose a color for them. Then they can choose some wheels. There's different wheel options. Then they hop to the interior. They can choose the upholstery plus the trim. So this one. Then it hops to different kind of options that is available there. And it seems that they have some additional packages that are, I would say, most likely most common ones. And then they have even more options for the customers. And then there's the vehicle maintenance programs as well. So let's do the building from there. So how we do this is we first create the product. So we will be creating actually the color, the wheels, interior options, and summary. Sorry, not summary, but options as different products. So there's multiple different ways of doing this. But let's hop into the configurator. Delete the configurators that we have here. And then create our first configurator. So BMW, and the model is X6. And we create a visual product configurator. And we create a new product. And here the start point for us is. So the product configurator looks like this. So in the middle, it's building how it will look for the end customer. From the left side, we can add the questions. And then on the right side, we have even more settings. So let's put a headline, build your own BMW. And then here for the image, I will, just quickly take a picture of this car. So we have that one then saved here like that. Very good. Now I will be just copy pasting the picture from the BMW website. Of course, if we would be actually building, we would have proper pictures, proper sizes, and so forth. But the first thing customer is choosing is the exterior. So for that, we have the color. So how I will be doing that one is I will be putting here color, then choose your color, and then just opening up these, and let's do some copy paste in here. So first we have the Alpine white. Let's take some white color from here. Then next one we have carbon black metallic, sorry. Let's add some blackish color from there. Then we have another black color. Let's take that one there. Then we have mineral white metallic. So that's quite white as well. After that, we have green metallic. So let's take some green metallic here. Then Isle of Man, green metallic. Here we could of course use the color codes, but I will be just making this a bit more simpler. So then we had the gray. Another gray. Then we have red one. And then we have some special colors. So gray metallic, blue metallic, and then lastly frozen per gray metallic. Like this. And here we can see that most of the models are not any extra money, but then we have the last three ones are some extra money. So how we do that one is we put here a price increase based on the amount. So then the calculator will automatically calculate the price. So right price for us. Very good. Then what I will be creating next is hoping to see some of the wheel options. So here we have a lot of these. I will do it a bit simpler and add only 3 different wheel options for us. So let's go single option, and then we have here wheel type. And then for the wheel type, I will be saving the 3 first ones. Okay, this is actually something I don't like that much. So every time when I click something, it will open up this part, not my favorite one. And then we have the last one. And let's see the pricing. So the first one is included, then the 2 rest ones are 800. So I will be adding here just 800. And then I will be grabbing the pictures. Let's see if it's lets me to save those as picture. Nope. So we are using screenshot. So just grab the pictures from here so it will look way better. Okay. And then for the last one, we do the same, like this. And then we save those ones. Then what I will be doing is showing you how the variations of the pictures is actually working. So for that, let's use the color here. So now for each and every color, we have different picture of the car. Let's see. Okay, so it's not letting us save it as JPEG, so we will be just grabbing some screenshots here to make it good looking, and you will see the idea. So from here, we will be auto-generating variations, and we will be doing variations for each of the colors that we have here. And for all the colors, we are then saving the pictures. Let's see. Very good. So now basically let's go back. So for all the colors, I will be doing the color and taking a quick screenshot of all of these. So then we change just the color and grab the screenshots of. So basically what this part is doing is when customer is choosing the model, we are automatically then showing the right picture for the customer. Okay, so now we have added all the picture variations and we can save that one. So now we have the pictures, we have tires, and then let's hop into the interior part of things. So for the interior, we have two things for the customer to choose as well. So for these, we are actually creating new products. So how I'm going to do that one is going to the products and adding a new product from here. And then I will be doing first interior upholstery like this. And for this, I will be also grabbing some pictures from the website. So we put the main picture and then the picture of the Silverstone, and then we do basically customers their options. Here there's a lot of different options, so let's do it a bit simpler and add let's say first 5 ones. So we have the options here. Choose your style, single option, and then we do Silverstone. We do coffee, Takora red, cognac, and then we do black one. And for all of these as well, I will be grabbing the small pictures from the website first to help customers to decide. Then lastly, the black one. And then we are going to create variations. So with the variations, we are showing customers the right big picture as well. So for the first one, we have that one. And then for each and every one of the rest, we will be having these ones. So now you can see I have the video recording there, so that will be shown on the pictures as well, but let's not mind that one right now. And then the last version. Very good, like this. And then we are going to save that one. And then I will be doing the same for the trim as well. So for that, I will be going to products. And add a product interior. Oops. Interior trim. Create that one. And for that, let's first grab one picture from here. Use the same one. And then add trim style, single option. And for this, there's also a lot of options. So let's maybe add the 5 first ones. And same things with these. So we are adding the small pictures here. Okay, and then let's do one more. So then we have 5 different options here as well. Like this. And then we do the same here. So we are creating variations of all of these. So based on the variations, we are showing then the right big picture for the customer based on what they've chosen. So let's save those ones. And then one more variation to go. And then we save that one as well. Very good. Then for the options, so we have the additional packages. We have actually a few different ways of doing this one, but how I will be doing these packages and these options, I will be doing it in a way that I hop back to the configurator here. And I will be adding the packages first. I will be doing those like this. So I have additional packages. And then I will be adding package that was 2500. Let's save the picture. Then I have the sport package. That was 650. Then I have the parking assistance. That's 900. Then the executive package, that's 1650. And then we have the climate comfort package, $1,000. And 1,000, and we saved that one. And then they had this, I would say, nice way of kind of showing more on the thing. So I will be doing something similar here. So for that, we are using this edit details, and then we enable it. And then for each and every one of these, I'll be adding some extra information from here. Let's do it that way. Add this one. And then I will be actually adding both of those pictures here as well. So there's more pictures for the end customers to read about the different options. Like this. Then we have the M Sports. So for the M Sports, we do it like this. And add the pictures the same way. Then we have the parking assistance. Let's save that one. Then we have the executive package. For that, let's take some stuff, and they have a lot of pictures. So just to make sure that we are not using too much time, I will be just copy pasting some of the text here. And then lastly, this one. And then I will be, okay, here we can actually save the pictures as pictures. Okay, so here we have 4 nice pictures to add here. Like this, and then lastly the climate control. So number 1. Then number 2. And number 3. And save the picture. Very good. So now we created these info boxes where customers can read more about these ones. And then we have a lot of other options as well. Let's do these a bit different way. So you can see all the different ways of adding the options. So for this, I will be adding these as separate products. So we can then make a nice way of showing these. So let's open Mobility Kit. Save the picture. And then we add the info that's included actually, so there's no price. Then we go to adding the next one. Save the picture. Add the product text, and it was 250. Then we go to the next one, so trailer hitch. Save the picture. Text 650. After that one, we have side window shades. We save the pictures here. Text, and that was included on the price. A leather dashboard. Save pictures here. At that one, and that was 1250. Front massaging seats. Oh, sounds very nice. I have a pair of these. Save the pictures. Add text and 1000. Okay, so some sound systems. Bring the pictures here. And this was 3,400. Then we have the headliner. Pictures here. Product text. Pricing 650. And then lastly, we had the heated seats. Pictures added, text added, and that's done. And then we hop back to the CPQ, and we will be adding all of those as additional products. And let's do it in this way. And here we add the products that we want to give customers possibility to add here. You will soon see how the end result will then be. Okay, like this. And then we have the maintenance programs. I will be adding that one here as well. Okay, and for these, these 850. That was 2549. I think they are using the same picture there, so let's use the same picture as well. Then we have 3749. 3749. Then we have 4749. 4749. And then lastly, 5849. 5849 for each and every one. We have the same picture. But then I will be adding the details the same way that they have on the website. So this text goes here. This text comes here. And number 4. And number 5. Okay, let's save those ones. Then I think we have almost all the stuff they had here. What we are missing is a few more things. So first I will be putting the base price. Then what we will be adding is new products, and we are selecting, so we have the interior upholstery. So I will be adding that one, and then I will be adding interior trim like this. Then let's add those one there. Then for the pricing, we can decide to show exact pricing for the customers, or if you are selling something else and you want to, for example, show price range or visual price range, you can do both of that one. And then we are only allowing customers to pick one interior. And then here you see the price. Here we have now checkout, so place an order. But if you would like to have for home request for quote, if you are selling something more complex, you could do that one as well. Very good. But hey, now we should have everything built. So let's see how it actually works. So from the preview part, we can see the end results that we've made. So now here, first we have choose the color. It seems to be working great. Then we have the wheels. For these, we didn't create the variations to save some time. Then we have the additional packages from here. All of these, we can read more. We can easily add, go through everything that is included. Then we have the maintenance packages. Here I can read, I can choose. Then we have the interior. I can choose that one. Then I have the interior trim. And then we have all the different options here. So I can read about those. I can add that one. And then for that one. And now I'm done the building. I can see the pricing and I can go for a checkout and actually place the order from there. So this is basically how you are building product configurators using HeadQ. So as you saw, quite quick, total of 40 minutes to build something like this. So if you are a business on B2B industrial side and you are selling some kind of machinery and you want to give your customers better buying experience, giving them ability to get to know your product better, either buy it online or get way more leads from the website to your sales teams or dealers, check out HeadQ. So headq.io. And here you can get started for free. Or if you want to have a personalized demo, you can reach out to me as well, Samuli at headq.io as written here. And I'm more than happy to organize a demo session for you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.